Great Monday morning, traders. This is Austin. It is March 27th. It is roughly a 20, let's see, from 45 to 22, roughly a 23 point index, 23 point index gap lower in the S&P. Let me get my words straight here. Gap down open, 23 points in the hole. Open range establishes. Price trades outside of the open range. Price pulls back into the open range. Our filter chart unshown here is bullish, and then our trigger chart here gives a breakout buy signal. That failed, stopped out for minus 1 point, gave a pullback signal. That one worked from the 23-24 zone, 25 zone. You know, the fill here was 24.50. It could have been anywhere between 24 and 25, because remember, trade executions are zones. They're not exact spots on a chart. Always, always. Any market, any symbol, any method, any system, zero exceptions. And so from that particular fill to this particular cover was 3 points and a tick. So we're at minus 1 point on the stop. We're at plus 3 and a tick on the go, and that makes us plus 2 and a tick points per contract to the good, which is a dollar value of $112.50 per contract. If you're trading 10 contracts, that's $1,125, right? Okay, if you're trading 20 contracts, that's $2,250. Pretty simple math, just exponential. It really is, and the market doesn't care. The S&P doesn't care if you enter 1, 2, 10, 20, 40 contracts. You're going to get them filled, and it's going to be rather painless. All right, so that's the day. Now, anything is possible from here. They could take them straight up to, this is still 90+% probable to be hit, the 37 area, right, significantly above. They could go all the way up and fill this gap. They could go higher. We have no idea. They could stall right here at this double top right now and roll over and drop down through and be gone. Okay? Anything is possible. We just don't know. But what I do know is going in consistently and picking off 2 points here, 3 points there, 1 point there on any given day, and just shutting it down. Okay? Just picking off the high odds moves, not being greedy, not sitting in front of the screens all day, not trying to trade, not churning your account, right? Just picking off the high odds scalps and putting $100 in your pocket per contract, more days than not. Hey, that has success written all over it. There is a deadline that ends today for the current program we're running, the CM Intensified Training. And that deadline was extended. It's my fault. I had some pay registration links in the website that were incorrect, and they were taking people in a circle who were trying to register, and they couldn't. So my apology for that. It's since been rectified. Everything is fine. There's actually added instructions as to what links to click and so on and so forth. It's all good. So we're bumping that registration deadline 1 day because of my error. I'm not the greatest coding expert in the world by any means. So that's what we have going on. If you'd like to do the same thing, if you'd like to just sit down at the computers between 9:30 Eastern and noon Eastern and put $100 or more days than not in your pocket per contract, and then you just figure out how many contracts it is you want to trade, here's your chance to learn how. Hope this helps. Looking forward to working with you inside, and as always, best trading wishes.